Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to view community posts on YouTube using your mobile device. Follow these steps carefully to make sure you can easily find and access the community posts you are looking for. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you may find community posts while scrolling on the home page. These posts often appear mixed with video suggestions. They are typically displayed as a text, image, or poll shared by a channel. Scroll through the home page and you might notice one as you go. Another way to find community posts is by using the Subscriptions tab. Tap on the Subscriptions button at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a list of content from the channels you are subscribed to. Scroll through this section and you will come across community posts shared by those channels. If you are looking for posts from a specific channel, you can search for that channel directly. To do this, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Type the name of the channel you are looking for in the search bar and select it from the search results. Once you are on the channel's page, you will see a row of tabs at the top, including options like videos and playlists. Swipe left on this row to reveal more tabs. Look for the tab labeled Community and tap on it. This will take you to the Community Posts section for that channel. Here, you can view all the posts that the channel has shared, including polls, updates, and images. These methods allow you to easily view community posts on YouTube using your mobile device. Whether you find them while scrolling the home page, through your subscriptions, or by visiting a specific channel, you now know how to access them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.